It really was an all hands on deck experience.
We had hurricane force winds.
This was really an unprecedented event for us. Calleguas Municipal Water District delivers wholesale water to 19 retail purveyors. We provide water to about 650,000 residents in southeastern Ventura County, including special districts, cities, investor-owned utilities, and mutual water companies. The mountain fire started at about 9 a.m. on November 6, 2024 in the Somos area, and it exploded. It reached 1,000 acres within a few minutes, up to several thousand acres by the end of the day.
We heard that embers were flying multiple miles. The fire was jumping freeways. Houses in our service area were on fire.
So during the mountain fire, several of our smaller water purveyors were impacted, both by the emergency and by the media storm that was happening with the false narrative of hydrants running dry.
They're out of water. So this is Ventura County Fire Station, and the fire hydrant is dry.
It was pretty immediate. That information was coming out that we clearly needed to correct.
These events are very scary and people don't know what to do, and they will latch on to any story that they hear as an answer for why what is happening.
Right when the misinformation started, we grabbed an iPhone.
Our senior communications specialist came into my office, spur of the moment, and just said, can you talk for 60 to 90 seconds about how hydrants work?
Explaining that they weren't running out of water and that firefighters account for that situation.
You have pressure drops and you have flow drops. Firefighters know this, they anticipate this, and what they do is they change their operation.
It's so important to tackle misinformation head on immediately before it can snowball into something much larger. We used every available platform that we had to get that information out to the public. This included social media, direct conversations, phone calls, emails, whatever it took. We really worked together as a team.
We had a number of text threads going on, and we stayed in constant communication with one another. And we spent a lot of time making sure we were checking our information with each other and who was going to say what. We had a presence at the Ventura County Fairgrounds, which is where the fire set up their HQ. We approached and/or were approached by journalists from local media. And once a couple local media folks got our story out, it got picked up by LA. So we really looked at media as an opportunity to get our story out and to get the messaging out rather than an oppositional situation. We were also really lucky because we were in such close alignment with the fire department. So it was really important, both on a staff level and to our elected officials, to be available for the briefings and the community events that followed, just to counteract the immediate misperceptions and misinformation that was out. But generally, kind of more globally, to assure people that water systems were in place and water quality was trustworthy, and that the public systems that support these communities know what they're doing. And this is something that we do, something we plan for, and that we are here to serve the folks that are responding to take care of people in an emergency.